Hey guys, Baker from Gulfport Nissan. You guys check out this 2022 Nissan Maxima Platinum, baby. Come on. You guys get these leather quilted seats. Man, it's going to make you feel good on a long car ride. Oh, yeah. You guys get these heated and cooling seats. How about that? It's going to make you feel right on, right on. Hey guys, check this out. You guys get the navigation maps anywhere you want to go. Dial it in right there. You get the audio. Turn up the music a little bit, you know. And you get the sport mode. So you can go vrooming on a Friday night. Come on. Hey guys, look. Y'all get heated seats. Look at that right there. And you get the USB port. Perfect for your iPhone, iPad, your laptop. You get it all in this thing. Come on. Look at this cargo space right here. This is for your sedan. Looks right on. Come on, look. You can put it all in there. You're set to go. Come on out to Gulfport Nissan. This is your car. Let's vibe, baby.